Okay. Go home tonight and make love. Make love tonight. Will you please make love? And be men. Be men. No sé qué está pasando aquí. A lot of men are becoming very feminine. Be men. You get home, you kick the door open. Because even in the movies, everybody's a feminine. Brad Pitt, he's not a manly man like Sean Connery. Brad Pitt is a pretty man. A very pretty man. I mean, you put a blonde wig on Brad Pitt and give me 3 Coronas, I don't know what's going to happen, I'll be honest. I'm not saying something's going to happen, I'm just saying I don't know. So be a man. When you get home tonight, open the door, unlock the door, alright? And then kick the door open. Like the man that you are. And then look at your woman, go like this. Get in. Stop. Get in. Stop. Get in. Get in. And keep doing that. Because eventually she's going to get in. That's what she does. What she's going to do? Sleep outside? Se lo comen los mosquitos. And when she gets in, you look at her and you go, turn around. Who's your man? Who's your man? Give it too much. Give it too much. Who's your man? Huh? Who's your man? Stop. You're scared of it. You better be afraid. Be very afraid. Then you grab your woman by the hair. Don't pull it. Just grab the hair. Right? Black guys, be careful with the extensions. It's scary. It's like, oh shit, what the hell is that? Pull the head back like a peasant's best. Don't pull the head. Just pull the head back and kiss him right here. What do you call this right here?
Adam's.
Not Adam's.